Helen's Kitchen. Today we'll be doing a Chinese pork loin chops. So here we have 1 kilo of pork loin chops that has been marinated with the sauce for about 8 hours, and this is the other half remaining part of the marinade that is made up of 1/4 cups of tomato sauce, 1/4 cups of soy sauce, 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and half a tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, and fry the chop for 1 minute on each side. Turn it and cook the other side for 1 minute. Then put it into the baking tray and then pour the balance of the marinade over. Spray with the oil. Then put it in a heated oven of 180 degrees for 30 minutes.